Hey everyone, so it's another day and another Kracie Popin Cookin. This is one of the most memorable and probably one of my most favorite sets to do, the sushi one. So as you can see from the cover, there's a diagram of you dropping like an orange candy into a vat of water, and then it forms the Salmon Roe. So that's one of my super duper favorite things to do. Another thing I like about the sushi kit is that it features the rice candy, which is one of my favorite crazy candies of all time. I'm glad that so far all the crazies that I've been doing still work, even though they are expired. Okay, and again, like I always do, snip a portion. Try to cut this as straight as possible. Don't cut anything you're not supposed to. Every single bit of this sheet is important. You have the mixing bowl, the dropper, spoon, this black candy, white candy, orange green, yellow pink, brown. Alright, so let's begin. First, we make the rice. Fill the number 1 bowl with water up to the line. Take your blue sachet. And then, oh my gosh, this is the best part. So I don't know how it happens, but the candy is actually like fluffing up and rising. Love this candy! Ah! On the tuna and egg molds, just fill it up to the line with water. The yellow one goes for the egg texture and the pink one goes for the tuna texture. To create the Salmon Roe, just fill both A and B cups up to their fill lines. Take the green and orange sachets. This one's marked A, it goes here, and this one's marked B, it goes here. And to create the Salmon Roe, I'm just going to dropper the orange B mix onto the A mix with a height of about 3 centimeters. Ah! This is the best part. Okay, I'm just gonna keep dropping. Ah! I could live just doing this. Next, create the seaweed wrap by stretching and pulling the black candy to match the size of this like rectangular mold. Okay, so I think I'm just like gonna have to divide this into 6. Okay, so I'm just like shaping all the rice balls for each kind of sushi. I don't know, these rice balls look really small. Now I can start putting together all the sushis. First, I'm gonna take 1 rice ball and wrap the seaweed candy around it. And then I'm gonna place some Salmon Roe on top of this. Glorious! Ah! To make the egg roll, I'm gonna use the spoon to scoop out the half of the egg piece and place that on top of a rice ball. Quickly do the same with the tuna piece. To make the combo sushi, take a bit of the tuna piece and then chop it all up into fine pieces on the side of the paper. Place the pieces on top of a rice ball and then do the same with an egg piece. Carefully add some Salmon Roe on top of the unstable piece and then leave it alone. Okay, I don't want to touch that anymore. Now to plate the rest of the finished sushis. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect! The last step is to just make the soy sauce, which is fill this container up to the fill line and add the brown sachet. So that's my Kracie Popin Cookin Sushi set. This was fun, this was the best. I think it has like the smoothest transition of not needing to reuse mixing bowls and molds, and it's like the cutest one to assemble because it doesn't need much creativity, but then end result still looks really beautiful and rewarding. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks and see you next time. Bye!